So very much like Frax, the XSD stablecoin never faces liquidation. And so remember we talked about the two liquidity pools, BankX versus the native blockchain token, and then the XSD pool where that's paired against the native blockchain token. And then there's a third pool that is separate and distinct that is never used for trading or anything. It's entirely used to back the minted XSD that is in supply. So what we do is say if the native blockchain token price drops and there's what we call a collateral pool deficit, we offer rewards in the form of BankX. Much like you selling into the liquidity pools, you can add collateral when the system's in need. So what we also do is that if the value of the collateral pool drops below what the minted XSD in supply value is, then we restrict that collateral redemption or until people have added to the system so that we're at 100% collateral pool value versus the minted XSD value that's in supply. And then that is a sort of a minting event of XSD to pay those rewards. And then on a collateral surplus side, you can use those tokens to buy the excess collateral, and you can use BankX or XSD to do that. And then those tokens are burned. So that's how Frax does it, so that there's no liquidation of your collateral. And we do the same thing within the BankX system for that. And very similar to the liquidity pool rewards, the collateral pool is the third in priority. So you got 9% for selling into XSD pool, 8% for selling into the BankX pool, and then the collateral pool, you earn 7% in interest and principal in the BankX pool, with that same breakdown of being dividing into thirds and being the first third, second third, and final third there. So in the web app and user interface, we automatically guide you to where the most rewards are. So you never have to say, well, does the XSD pool need rewards, or is it BankX, or what? The system will automatically default you to the best one that's available on each chain. You'll see that our UI, where we continue to make enhancements to think about the user so that you don't have to put a lot of thought in what to do.